They wanna take me away, throw me in the backseat rainy days, made me promise I wouldn't say. If it was up to me, you know I would've stayed. I tried to make new friends so I can pretend I can fall in love again. Your picture on my fridge so I can relive.
Alright, you guys, I am in my bathroom and it has horrible lighting in here. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up. And let's get into the skincare.
I can relive, I can fall in love again.
And I'm going to be trying Hey Bud's skincare today. I'm excited because I needed some new skincare. But it just comes in this little box. And everything that's in here is... It looks like there's a hemp gel moisturizer. There is a clay mask. There is a smooth it over serum. Balances oil levels and improves skin texture. Overall, it just really seems like a more like gentle, all natural skincare line, which I'm excited about because my skin is very sensitive. I have eczema, if you guys don't know that already, but if you've been here for a while, you know that my skin is pretty awful. I have eczema once again, and my skin gets really dry and inflamed, and sometimes I just have these horrible flare-ups. But this is a cleanser, and then comes with a little brush for the mask as well. So I'm gonna start by, of course, like cleansing my face and moisturizing, and then doing a mask and stuff. So that is the order that I'll be doing this in. Already of this video, I plan on doing like a voiceover or some type of like music in the background, just because I obviously sound terrible. I'm out of breath, first of all. I can barely talk without being like so short of breath. And I just like, I'm very congested and just overall just feel very crummy. I don't think you guys know this yet. I haven't really done an announcement post on my YouTube channel, but I am pregnant. I am currently 9 weeks pregnant. And I am miserable. I feel so sick, but I don't have any like morning sickness or nausea or like vomiting, but like I feel like the flu. Like I just feel like I got hit by a truck and I just don't feel myself, but that's okay. We're growing human. We're growing a little tiny human, so I'm gonna be tired, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this skincare and talk to you guys later.
With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. This not new to me. Grit gon' kill like scream. Ego my enemy, my heat got entropy. It's all just chemistry. Lemonade sipping, I was in class trying to get my wishes. Dirt on my plate, so I had to clean dishes. Knew that I'ma do this, I just had that feeling. You ain't gon' live like me. These heights be too frightening. Their opinion be too trifling. Don't like love, only do the flings. I think she the one, she the one, she the one for me. She the one, she the one, she the one I need. Then I think fuck that bitch, I just wanna fuck, gotta scratch that itch. Only 19, love don't make no sense. I don't wanna ask where all my time went. This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. This not new to me. Grit gon' kill like scream. Ego my enemy, my heat got entropy. It's all just chemistry. Gon' hit the I-5, it won't be no shot. I've been planning for a while now, no sign tell me stop. One day we gon' climb your top.
I don't know why, but every skincare video I do, I never do a patch test on my skin. I just go balls to the wall putting on product. Well, I should do that because I put that, I don't know if it was the serum or the moisturizer, but my face felt a little tingly, but it went away. It didn't last long, but I also feel like that serum like made my skin feel tight, like it almost just like tightened my face. Does that make sense?
All night you just wanna get high. Next day you forgot that I told you that it's my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. This not new to me, Greek gon' kill ice cream. Ego my enemy, my heat got entropy. It's all just chemistry.
I cannot lie to you guys, my face is on fire. Like my face is burning really bad actually. I'm gonna give it a few minutes or a few seconds, I don't know. But yeah, this is starting to sting quite a bit. I don't know if it's just because it's working. You know, my skin's been pretty bad, but I don't know that it's burning pretty good. So I might wash this off here in a few minutes and see how it is. But yeah, it is tingly. Tingly, tingly, tingly.
They wanna take me away, throw me in the backseat rainy day, made me promise I wouldn't stay. If it was up to me, you know I would've stayed. I tried to make new friends so I can pretend I can fall.
Overall, I would highly recommend these skincare products because my skin looks so glowy and hydrated and just brightened and just overall looks really, really good. So I'm excited to keep using this and see how my skin does. But oh my gosh, my skin looks so healthy and glowy.